Welcome back, legends, with the Youngster. Woo! Hey, and you already know that because hopefully he bangs a big fish today and he's in the thumbnail.
Yeah.
So,
or you may see Carney over the side of the boat on the thumbnail. Yeah, we'll see what happens.
come along, legends, see how we go. We just pulled up at this little creek here. We're going to have a few flicks early in the morning. We wait for the tide to come in, so just bear with us. So you're pretty excited, Oakster?
Just a tad.
I'll let you have the first cast.
Thanks, mate. I'll do that for a cast.
Oh, you're on the ball too. Oh, there's a little pop up there. Notice that little pop. And you would have noticed in that last video, Carney likes the big girls now. Oakster.
Mate, I like all girls. All girls need loving, okay? I love all girls.
There's a little pop up there. I know where he's going to cast, straight up where the little pop is. Nice cast, Oaks.
Yep, and I'm on.
Oh, and the Oakster's on. Oakster,
Why where that barra hit too, Carney?
the sun's in the wrong place, Oakster.
Oh, you want me to? I'll try to bring him to the other side of the boat for you.
Lip grip. No, you're right.
I'm trying to be hospitable,
With
mate.
lip grip or you want the net? Your first one.
Lips should do it.
Woo! Oh, nice little fish.
Actually, it's probably in this. I don't want to say, but it's using the current pretty good.
Yeah, that's what'll happen. If we jam a big one, we're going to have to cut that Minn Kota free and just drift down.
Just watch your fingers, Carney. Don't want to be a surgeon today.
Hey, I don't want to tell you this, Oaks, but the one I caught the other day probably eat this one for food.
Probably would, but it's my first
Yes,
for a few weeks, mate, so I'm happy.
he's happy.
Second cast. Can't beat that.
Oh, nice little silver fish, Oakster.
Yeah, beautiful fish.
That's a bloody cracker, eh? But you got him on the
No, I don't think it's a stinger.
you got him on the
Chartreuse.
a chartreuse pearl, 5-inch raptor.
Beautiful barra. Look at him.
Beautiful, Oakster.
Oh, straight on the brag mat. That's a good idea.
Yeah,
that
that's a
brag
good idea, that brag mat, isn't it?
Yeah.
The smallest fish that's been on there for a while. Carney's measuring.
mat. 66.
We'll knock out a 66, Oakster.
Yep.
You pulled his head round, you done yourself, you saved,
Oh, there's a few.
you cheated yourself out of a centimetre there. You want to do it?
Yeah.
You're going to do a little hold up and I'll get a photo?
Yep. I have to let my Instagram people know that I'm actually do fish and I do catch.
You'll have to get the sun, we'll have to swap around, eh? Want to get the sun on you. And we don't want to show the viewers how you hang it. Righto.
Woo!
Beautiful, Oakster.
That beautiful. Lovely.
Cheers, man. Well done.
Thanks, Carney.
Hey, did Carney put you on the spot or what?
Mate, he started.
Yeah.
Look, the sting. It's not the stinger either, Carney.
Oh, well done, eh? I
Yeah.
might have to get one of those out. Can I have that back?
Nah.
Yeah.
Go get your own. Oh, that is yours, but it's mine now.
Oh, there's more buffing up there, Oaks.
Woo! See you later.
Hang on.
Oh, fuck.
It's like this.
Yeah.
It's like that. You
Okay,
go loop like
yeah,
that.
I forgot.
Yeah. Now let me show you.
Oh.
And it's through here like this.
I just got overexcited. I just had a what do you call it? Brain fade.
And do you want me to keep doing it, or do you want to?
I got it. Thanks,
do you want
mate.
me to do it for
No,
you?
thanks. I got it now.
I don't know where you go from here, but I just go around here and through here like that. If it catches me to 22s, I'm pretty sure she'll hold up when you get your bloody,
Yeah, thanks, Carney.
when you get your cuddy.
Enjoy yourself, Carney. Thanks for that.
Legends, I never got all that on film, but it was quite entertaining for 10 minutes here. He's been trying to remember how to tie the lure onto the
what happened?
leader.
I forgot all about. Oh. Oh, a bit short. Oh, perfect cast. And watch this. Don't go away. Watch.
Oh, that's your style, they can't up on the mud. Good cast, Carney. Yep.
Oh,
This is your size, Oakster.
take them all, mate. I'll take them all. You're too busy watching yours. I just had a hit in the circle.
Oh, I hope it's not one of your favourite fish.
I think it is, Carney. You're good for that, eh? Yeah.
Ah!
Make sure that you can see that.
Nothing to see here. This is not going to make the cut, Oaks, but this is...
Yep. And, oh, Carney, I think I've got the same as you now, Carney.
You on?
Oh. The hell was that? Oh, spot me. Little barra.
Little barra?
Yeah, I don't know how to catfish. Carney, sorry about that. Yeah, I just know barra, hey? I don't really know catfish.
He loves them.
But those southerners, they wanted caddies, so I took them to get caddies. You know? Whatever you want, I can make it happen. I'm here to please.
Yep.
Oh,
Well, it's a nice barra, eh?
yeah. Dropped it, Carney.
You dropped it.
Felt big too, eh?
It was a better size one, Oakster.
Yeah. Damn.
You're on, Oakster?
Yep.
Tell me, what happened? As soon as it hit the water,
Hit the water.
you threw it straight in the mouth.
He must have been yawning.
Is it not a bad size?
I reckon. Yeah.
You got your drag not set very good.
I don't want it too tight, Carney. Don't want to pull the hooks.
Let's have a look at it.
Oh no, it's not big. It's just embarrassing me. That's all. Oh, it's hooked in the eyes, poor thing. No, that's all right. It's one of those blind barriers. Poor bastard.
Pull him up.
Nah, well released.
And you lost your rubber too.
That was about the same size as the last one.
Yeah. Come on, Oakster. Oakster's getting the umbrella up. Bang a fish, big dog.
Just
Bang a fish.
how does this thing work, honey?
Oh, just put it upside down and shuffle it down. Just do this once.
Ah,
Yeah, now you got it. Now turn it over and do it.
yeah, it's quite technical, eh, Carney?
Yeah, push it up. And then turn it so that the knob comes right around that way. Yep. You're not real good on the hole, Oaks.
Yeah, the hole's too small. I'm not used to. Oh no, I don't mean that. I didn't.
Hang on. Whoop.
Oh. How low are you on it? All the way?
Yeah, all the way down. Big fish.
Yeah, come on, Carney.
Big fish, Oakster. We're on. I don't know if you're going to need that net, eh?
I'll bring that anyway, but I saw it jump. It looked like about 50.
About a 50.
Yeah. I reckon you come to the front, Carney.
Yeah, I'm just going to turn. Good stuff. You're about to go home too.
Yeah, I was just about to come back.
I don't know how big it is, Oaks.
Nah, she's alright. She's alright. How do you use this crap net?
Oh, don't. Yeah. I might have to lip grip him. Oh, we'll take him, Oaks. It's only just hooked too, eh? So.
Bloody hell, Carney.
Here.
Okay, got it.
Got it?
Yep. Okay, bring it slowly to me. Bring it to Papa. Oh, those 7 inches.
That's a 7-inch. That's a 7-inch.
Looks like I must change.
Green chrome.
Oh, take it easy. If it's only hooked, you might have to loosen your drag a bit, eh? So you don't pull it.
I'm ready for the big ones. I know you like these little ones.
Ah, she's a nice size, Carney.
80s, eh? I'm just playing him a bit simple there because I'm just not 100% confident on that hook, Oakster.
Yeah, it's just hooked in the lip.
Yes!
And we're in.
Yes!
Well
Yes!
done, Carney.
Yes!
Oh, she's heavy.
They're fat fish, eh?
Yeah, they're fat, eh? That's the body of my ex-girlfriend.
Might yeah, we'll get him out. Get hooked, Oaks, and then we can do a.
Oh, poor thing, it's got a
Can
bung
I give
eye.
you this? We're gonna have to get me in the sun, Oaks.
Yep.
I'll just get a quick.
Okay,
You be the cameraman. You tell me if we're not right there. That's pretty close,
yeah,
eh?
that's close.
Oh, I'll go that there.
83, whoop. Come on, Carney, you been fishing long, mate? Yeah, she's fat.
Fat fish, eh?
Yeah. She's been gorging.
I'll call it 83.
Yeah.
82.
Yeah. Nah.
83.
83. Give you 83, mate.
83.
Fat girl.
Fat girl?
You need to go on a diet, girly. Take her to the gym with me.
Bloody got her.
Oh, she's got a bit of bung eye. Yeah, 7-inch doing the trick, eh? Ah. So you're not telling me, Carney, the 7 inches, eh?
There we go.
Beautiful fish.
Cheers, Oakster.
Nice.
Here we go, legends. Back in we go.
Let the lovely lady go.
Over the side. Yep.
See you later.
Woo.
Well done, Carney.
Cheers, Oakster. 83.
Bam. Okay.
Once again, you got him on the green chrome. 7-inch Dominator. Raptor lure. Thank you very much, Pete Davis.
Okay. Chrome's coming on.
What's he going to do?
Chrome?
Come on. Big barra. Come on, Oakster. Your turn, Oakster.
Yep, I can feel it. He's going to
Come
go
on.
off any second.
Come on. Get spooled.
Nah,
on that little
not happening again, mate.
on that little light drag you've got. So Oakster, on a recent vlog when you did a little dance shuffle up on the deck there,
No,
you had some form of the caddy shoes.
that's the latest trend, mate.
They're the caddy shuffle shoes.
You'll be available online shortly. I'm just doing some R&D on it. Putting some extra holes in there just to give it the look.
He took his lure off, said it was too new. So then I give him
You gave me that one.
then I give him this one.
And it's too busted ass.
I give him this one. And he reckons it's too old.
No, actually, I like
That one's called a heap of fish.
Actually, I like this one. Actually, Carney.
Which one?
That one there.
Oh, that's dirty. That's Craig's, eh? Run that one. Hit
Yeah.
Craig a fish. That's dirty.
Nah, it looks pretty clean. What do you mean dirty? It looks pretty clean.
That's the name of his lure.
Oh, dirty.
Yeah,
Ah.
he's got two, eh? He's got the double pumper and the dirty or the filthy.
Better be filthy, you filthy girl.
What size fish? Oh, baby one.
Oh, I lost my lure, you monkey. Oh,
You got him?
yeah. Oh, my lure. Nice little barra.
Yeah. You'll have to just skull rag him in, Oakster.
Yeah, no, keep going, mate. Don't mind me.
Hey!
Oh, the stinger.
The stinger got him.
Woohoo!
Oakster flicking doing his job as we're trolling along.
52.
52, Oakster.
Yep.
Cool.
On the
On the Gonskis.
Yeah, on the Gonski. On the ghost door. It was there and it's no longer there. Oh, that was a 9.5 for that dive. Beautiful.
So what's that? Minus 53, eh?
What?
Minus 53.
Damn.
That makes it even, because I got the caddy this morning.
That's bloody like nearly the perfect score not to get.
Look, Oaks.
Oh yeah, look
Come
at
on. You're getting a few marking up now. Finally.
that. A couple of nice caddies there on the Barbie.
Just got a massive hit, Legends. Bent over. Oaks seen it swirl up at the back. First thing the Oakster does, right on cue.
Ah, I saw nothing, mate.
Straight.
But
Change your lures
what are
straight
you doing?
away. Straight away. Change your lures.
Oh.
You hungry?
Just a bit. This is my breakfast and lunch.
We're on, Legends. We're on. Holy shit! Bloody hell! Holy Oakster!
I reckon it's a cat.
Oh, big barra.
That's a big barra.
Big barra, Monday. I just wrapped my drag up too, so
Yeah, not too
because
high,
it was
honey.
I just that's a big one. Let me come down the front of your Oaks.
Yeah, you go for it, mate.
Oh. You want to try and keep us in the middle, eh? But he's going towards them sticks. Do you want to reverse us back? Yeah, you're all right. Just go here. Oh, Oakster! It's a big fish, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that'll do. Oh, good man, Oakster. Come on, Legends.
I've got my job down pat because I'm not catching any fish.
Oaks just pull the umbrella down. I only seen him ball over when we first hooked him.
I saw it come out of the water.
Yeah, big fish, eh?
Yeah, big catfish.
You hope. Come on.
Oh, isn't that good just after finishing a lunch?
Yeah, lucky.
God, I'll look after you,
I
Cardi.
washed me beard.
Put you on I told you, eh? That'd been perfect. Oh, damn it. I can get myself now.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, 90s.
Not gonna call it. It's a bit thin, this one. Salty. Should be salty, this one.
You're all marking through here, eh? Come on.
Come on, bring that caddy up.
Going
Slap
straight
that
down.
caddy.
Going straight down. You want to pull it in, Oakster? There we
Oh,
go.
it's just hooked.
Woo!
Oh, silver.
Nice
fish,
barramundi, eh? Woo!
Gosh,
Good man, Oakster.
should be close, Carney.
Good on you, Oakster.
Well done, Carney.
There's a few more marking through here, eh? Yeah. Good man, Oakster.
Don't worry, mate. I'm getting good at this deckhand thing. I'm not friggin' hooking anything.
Pleasure to have you along.
That's why you called me, because you just want someone to be your deckhand while you pulled all the big fish. Oh, this bloody colour. I can't blame the colour because I've got the same colour on. You don't.
Can I give you that?
You don't want me to hold your fish too, eh? Come on.
And that there's ready to take a video, Oakster. Want to try and get?
I'm trying to hold a barra. Got one in my hand.
All right. Well, let's do one at a time.
Okay, yeah.
Do that one first.
Hold her up. Oh, what a beauty.
Get a little bit of footage of that.
Beautiful.
I'll stand up and you can shoot it up.
Lovely, Carney. Look at that.
No worries, Oakster. We'll put that one back to me. And then if you wanted to put that one on record. Nice fish, eh?
Healthy. Let's see. What do you reckon? I'm thinking 93.
No, you got
Oh shit.
88, Oakster.
Damn.
80 Oaks, champion. 88.
It's a big 88.
Cheers, Oakster. I might give you this and we'll do a release, eh? It's running.
Okay.
It's running, so.
What a sick.
Here we go.
Alright, Carney. Send her back home. Whoa, be careful. See you later, lovely.
Woo. Yes!
Woo! Well done.
On the green chrome, I ain't going to show you because you've already seen it.
Now can you just bloody put me on a fish, mate, you know?
Cheers, Oakster.
What does a man have to do,
Good deck
mate?
work. Great deck work, Oakster.
Ah.
Oakster the man.
So what am I doing wrong?
I bet our legends. Oaks can't change his lure. The same as Carney because he already done that. Come on, Oakster.
I might change
Big barrel for Oakster. Big barrel.
Actually,
The mullet coming. Look, we've got fish on the sounder.
what if I change my rod?
Well, I did offer you could have this one.
No, I got my other rod.
You're going to change his rod. You just want him? Holy shit! That's a bloody hooking. Holy! Is that going hard or what? You want to take this?
No. Your fish, Carney, you find it.
Jeepers. Might have to try and get out.
The,
I'm gonna go backwards, Oakster.
Don't be insulted if I'm not happy for you, okay?
Take this rod.
No. You find your fish, Carney. I'll just do what I'm good at.
Holy! White
So
man.
is it?
Bloody going to sleep too. Well,
Doesn't feel that big.
no.
They probably don't need this umbrella down.
Well, she bloody. Just have a look first.
Yeah, we'll wait and see.
She got bloody cracking, but I'll tell you.
Yeah, it took off all right.
Oh!
No.
Umbrella down.
Don't have to tell me.
Good man, Oakster.
What the hell?
You're a good man, Oakster. Don't worry about that. We'll fix it later. Holy shit!
Oh, take it easy, Carney. Nice one.
They go down, them big girls, eh? They bury and go straight down.
That's what you want. You have more chance of landing it that way.
Yeah.
Because when they jump is when you get worried.
It's a nice fish, eh?
Nice fish.
Oh,
Take it easy, Carney.
get your hand out the way, Carney. Ooh.
She's a nice one, Carney. Come on.
Oh,
Give me a bit. Come on, Carney.
come on. Okay. That's alright, Oaks. That's alright.
Oh,
That's got it on camera.
oh, now you jumped over me, Carney. Not my fault.
Oh, yes.
Woohoo!
Oh, yes,
Look
Oakster!
how fat that one is.
Oakster!
Wow!
How good's that?
You see how I showed you how not to net, like just let
Yeah,
it drop
yeah, that was a jumping flying barra. Awesome stuff. Okie dokie.
Put the
Little good. Let's hold this net down until I get this hook out. Just here, look.
She's a fat. She's been up in the fresh.
You reckon? I reckon
Yeah.
she's been a bit
Nah,
fine.
she's been in the fresh. She's
The size
fat.
of her.
Damn.
Cheers, Oakster. Get a quick measurement while you're doing that.
Oh. 94. She's 94, exactly. Look how fat, look at the girth on her. Wow. Mate, any other system, that'd be a meter barra there.
Ooh, 93 Legends,
But look how fat she is.
the green chrome.
Okay, Carney. I think she's had enough, she said.
I'll get you to get the video, Oaks. I'll get you to stand back a little bit. And we'll do the let go. Get a good girl back in
Go.
the water.
Let her in, mate. She's ready to go.
Ready? Let's go.
See you later, lovely.
Woo!
Well done, Carney.
Yeah.
Well done.
Fuck, awesome, awesome decky work, Oakster.
Yep, I'm good at that. A lot of experience at the moment.
Oh, okay, what about that Legends? 93, we didn't get the lure, was the same one again. Green chrome in the 7-inch, Carney can't go past it, so we're staying with it. 93 Legends, 93. Guess what? The Oakster's had a change of lures again. He's back the same as Carney's.
Don't want to talk about it, mate.
And he changed rods. He changed rods.
Don't want to talk about it.
We've got him on the sounder here, Oaks. But hey, guys, I've heard of people changing lures. Yeah, no worries. But what about changing rods? Yeah, who wants him? All you got to do is make a comment. You can have him. Yeah.
I'm going to torch all his clothes. Everything. I'm burning everything.
Yeah.
I'm calling the local witch doctor in.
Yeah.
Get them to do whatever they need to
What a day, eh? What a day.
do. Bloody hell, it's not over yet. Good footage. Oh, bloody, what is it? It jumping over the net.
Yeah. I wonder how many times that'll get replayed in slow motion. You see that good netmanship? Lucky it was well hooked. Oh, have a look at this.
I tried my best to help you lose it, but it wasn't working.
You know how to tie that?
Yeah, I do now. I've had a lot of practice. I've changed about 1,000 lures. Pretty good, eh?
Right, Legends, just like that. We're back at the Bark Hut. We got Andrew, who was with us yesterday. We were here to. We got Rob from Victoria. And we got
Super Decky.
Super Decky.
Too good. I thought you were
Alright, Legends, we were going to go
right.
fishing today, but as you can see, we're still here at the Bark Hut. We've had to sleep in. Oaks is happy.
Wouldn't get up. I didn't.
I was up. I was up all night. If they buy, it's from eBay.
You're putting cold water in that?
Yeah. So it's pretty much the same thing, except they have a.
Some of these other ones that come with the lithium battery packs and that, they're bloody
Yeah, well that one you can buy a battery pack that's tucked in underneath
and
it.
then you can get a spare battery.
But that only lasts a few hours, you know.
I think they get about
When it was down.
Yeah, Legends, I don't know how much fishing's going to get done today, but we're
pulled the lure out just as you're going to the net.
Oh yeah.
we're catching a few around the front of the boat here. So.
Well, Carney's one yesterday, the 93, it was floating there, so I went to scoop it and decided to jump and jumped over the net. Oi, Keep that's not going on there, eh? Huh?
No,
Cut that out.
you know I won't put it on.
So like, it made me look stupid, but
Does anyone want it? Does anyone want a net man?
I'm a pretty good netman now, mate.
Yeah.
Did it all yesterday. and I was having a
I must
ball at the
admit,
start
Jakes,
before you got your message.
I must admit you improved, but I tell you, what about the footage? When I got the 94 and there's no footage.
It was 93.
Yeah, 93 and you didn't turn the camera
It
on.
grew a centimetre in 2 minutes.
I will find it. It's fucking huge. This bloke's as big as me, or bigger than me.
Yeah.
And looked very similar to the way he told me to have that bloke. If it wasn't, would have been my sounder.
Yeah.
That was in the middle where I was falling. That's straight. Everyone, you guys are all on top.
Surface?
Yeah.
Andy's saying the young fellas went up to it and had a look at them, they were little barrels.
Yeah, right.
Doesn't matter. Everyone's got different ideas. It doesn't matter because if the barra doesn't have the same ideas, yeah, I know. Can't put the mockers on me yesterday. Got sick of landing all his own fish, so he bloody made me do it.
Just wanted him?
Damn.
Righto, Oaks. I'll see you, mate, eh?
Honey, thanks for
Cheers for
teaching
yesterday.
me.
Cheers, mate, eh?
No worries. Thanks for teaching me how to be a good net boy.
Netman.
Yeah, my arms feel stronger just by doing all that network, you know.
Cheers,
That's
Oakster. Cheers, mate.
Pity,
And we'll see you on the next one.
caddies. Wouldn't mind a caddy or two.
Cheers, Oakster.
Hey, Carney.
Righto, mate.
Talk to you later.
See you, eh? Cheers, mate.
Yeah, see ya.